Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 1B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and handwritten form of all subjects. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number and we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. And the contact number is 90093682238. For this, you can contact anytime. Now the question number 1B is the objectives of economic planning in India are drawn, keeping in view its socio-economic problems and list our these objectives to be achieved during various planning periods of economic planning. So this question is taken from lesson 2 and we have to answer in the 40 to 60 words. If you want all the answers of all the subjects, you can contact us anytime. So we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching.